Hello and welcome to the online edition of Nightwatch for August 2023. My name is Bill, coming to you from the Sudekum Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center in Nashville. And as always, we will start with the moon phases for this month. We find that the moon will be full on August 1st and 30th. 2 full moons this month. Last quarter moon on the 8th, new moon on the 16th, followed by first quarter moon on the 24th. Looking at planets this month, we have a change from the past several months. The planet Saturn is now part of the evening sky, rising at around sunset in the east-southeastern sky. See the just past full moon passing near the planet Saturn on August 2nd. Later in the evening sky and into the early morning hours, Jupiter rises early in the month around 11 p.m. and then a little bit earlier by the end of the month over in the eastern part of the sky. The last quarter moon will be passing close to Jupiter on August 8th, rising at around midnight. In the morning sky, the planet Venus, which was in the evening sky for the past several months, is now in the morning sky, coming up just before sunrise during the last week of August. Look low in the eastern sky just before sunrise after August 25th. Looking at constellations this month, facing toward the south at about 9 p.m., Central Daylight Time, we find up high in the sky the famous 3 stars that we call the Summer Triangle: Vega, Deneb, and Altair. Toward the south, we have a teapot-shaped group of stars. The Summer Triangle, marked by the stars Vega, Deneb, and Altair, are actually part of the constellations Lyra the Harp, Cygnus the Swan, and Aquila the Eagle. And down toward the south, the teapot is actually part of the constellation Sagittarius the Archer, which is to the left of the constellation Scorpius the Scorpion, marked by the bright red-orange star named Antares. Also during August, we have the annual Perseid Meteor Shower, which peaks between August 12th and 14th and is visible for a few days before and after, but the best time is during mid-month between the 12th and the 14th, peaking on the early morning of August 13th. That's between about 11 p.m. and sunrise. If you can get far, far away from city lights, you may see upwards of 100 meteors per hour. In urban and suburban areas, like the Nashville area, with lots and lots of light pollution, you may only be able to see 30 to 40 per hour under clear skies. The faint meteors just won't be visible because of all the lights we turn on. So get as far away from any lights as you possibly can, and also away from buildings and trees and any place that will give you a good view, a clear view of the night sky. One nice thing about meteor showers is you do not need a pair of binoculars or a telescope. All you need is your eyes and some patience as you watch the annual Perseid Meteor Shower. Grab your favorite beverage and a lawn chair and go out and admire the beauty of one of the most spectacular events in our night sky, the annual Perseid Meteor Shower, which is caused by debris left behind by an ancient comet named Swift-Tuttle. The tiny bits of rock in space, which are no bigger than about the size of a grain of sand for the most part, are burning up in the atmosphere high above us as we pass through this part of our orbit each year in the middle of August. Now, the meteor shower will be occurring just a few days before the new moon, so the moon will be a very thin crescent, rising just before sunrise during the meteor shower, so there will be no bright moonlight that will also interfere this year. Now, the meteors tend to radiate from the constellation Perseus, which is rising in the northeastern sky late at night. So again, the meteor shower is best seen between 11 p.m. and sunrise while it's still dark. Where should you look in the sky? Actually, the best place to look is straight up for a wide view of the sky, because the meteors will all be moving away or radiating away from the constellation Perseus throughout the entire sky. So again, get as far away from trees and buildings for your best view and look straight up in the sky. Now, if you can't remember everything I've mentioned on this online edition of Nightwatch, you can check out our website, adventuresci.org/starcharts, and you can download a online version of our star chart, as well as other information about what's happening in the sky each month. And don't forget to visit us here at the Sudekum Planetarium at Adventure Science Center to see our regular night watch under the dome here at the planetarium, and also our other programs happening at the planetarium, as well as other events and activities happening at the Science Center. AdventureSci.org is our main website where you can find out more information about everything happening at Adventure Science Center. I want to thank you for watching this online edition of Nightwatch. Again, my name is Bill, and until next time, I wish you clear skies.